Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a Facebook page. Deleting your page is a permanent decision, so first, ensure you truly want to remove it entirely. Once it's gone, all posts, photos, and engagement will disappear forever, including your followers. It's wise to download an archive of your data beforehand, providing you with a personal backup of everything you have shared. This crucial step prevents any loss of valuable memories or information. Once you are logged into the correct Facebook account, you will need to navigate to your specific page. From your main Facebook feed, simply click on your page's name or profile picture, which is typically found on the left side menu. After arriving at your page's main view, search for the Settings option. This is often represented by a gear icon or a menu with 3 horizontal or vertical dots, depending on your device interface. Inside the Settings menu, carefully browse through the various categories to find the section concerning general page management. You will need to scroll down quite a bit, looking for a clear heading that says Delete your page or something very similar, like Remove Page. This specific option is generally positioned at or near the bottom of the list, making it a distinct final action. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct option before proceeding to the next step. After selecting the Delete Your Page option, Facebook will present a confirmation prompt, explaining the implications of this action. Importantly, your page will not be immediately removed. Instead, it enters a deactivation period. This period typically lasts for 14 days, offering you a crucial window to reconsider your decision. Should you change your mind within these 2 weeks, simply log back into your page, and you will find an option to cancel the pending deletion, restoring your page fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.